The 30-inch Menards ceiling fan. I put it in the kitchen for now, and really, to be honest, it don't look too bad here. Granted, it's tiny, but it don't look too bad. This is only a temporary thing, because eventually this will be going in there sometime, somehow. But for now, it'll be in here. So, let's start off on high. And it actually moves quite a bit of air for a little tiny thing. Go to medium. It hums, but it doesn't really bother me that much. And low. To be honest, humming fans never really bothered me because, I don't know, something I always grew up with, so not a big deal to me, like most people. And we'll turn it off. Yeah, I put that globe on there because the other one would not fit because I got these long LED bulbs from the other fan that was here before, which I'll show in a second, down there. There's that. That's the globe that should be on it, but it wasn't really deep enough for the bulbs I had, which I have one of them somewhere. I don't know what I did with it, but it was like about like that. Only it was a LED bulb. They go in this thing. This was the fan that was here before. I don't know what it was. It was probably some Walmart hugger. I took that down and put that up for now. It looks a little bit better. I like the bleached oak side down. It kind of gives this otherwise bland white room a little bit of something different. But anyway, there's that. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.